Connect. Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for your time. We're very happy that you are here today. And with me, I mean me and also my friend and regional director, Mark Münchmeier, is also here. And of course, all the guests and all the promoters of the company Safir Global. So let's start. We're going to share today just news. So this is not a normal presentation, but we're going to share a lot of information for you where you're waiting for. And of course, we are going to talk a little bit about technology, about crypto. So, and I have to show you the disclaimer because the numbers and the incomes and the benefits what we're going to talk today about, or showing not so much, but you will see it. That's not a guarantee. It's just an example. Yeah, it can be more, it can be less. It depends on the capacity of the technology. It depends how much time you are putting in your business, but it can be great. And what happened this weekend in Dubai with 500 people, 506 people in one room is that we have showed the last month this slide about an ecosystem. And we felt and we have seen that this is going to happen. Yeah, it happened, but it's going to be finalizing totally. To have a cryptocurrency on the market is good. There are so many concepts and so many coins and tokens on the market, and everybody's happy and everybody's amazing enthusiastic about that his coin is going to be the best coin on the planet. I agree, no problem. But why so many coins are not surviving? Why so many tokens are not surviving? Because you can have a currency if you cannot buy something with that, or not so much. Like imagine you have a new dollar or a new euro and you can only buy bicycles, that will not survive. And that's happening also with cryptocurrency. You can have the best process, you can have the best project, but if there's no ecosystem and people cannot use it, it's that. Yeah. So, and what you see here, this is the first time that we see in this industry that a company has done a whole ecosystem where you have a cryptocurrency that is the zeniq coin, but around the whole system on the own blockchain, the own smart chain, the own crypto exchanges, working on an own hub. And this hub is going to bring the whole security and the whole blockchain to the world. And with the zeniq wallet, that is a zeniq app, we will show at the end what the new app looks like and what it can do. You will not believe. Just the zeniq app is a dream of, I think, thousands of ICOs which have run and which are going to come. The own zeniq debit card, the own possibility to go in your application and you can stake tokens or coins from other projects. The own zeniq swap is going to be the first real decentralized crypto exchange in a way which is swap. So, and that is not all. So that is so amazing. But what zeniq has done, has created its own smart chain or cross chain. That is the second layer. Do you know what that is? A smart chain, you can build all the smart contracts on that. And that means that the future projects, what is coming on the market around the whole world, all the NFTs, all the gaming projects, all the metaverse projects, but all the tokenization projects that can switch, and in my eyes, that will switch or come and start on the zeniq smart chain, because we're going to show you today why. What is the difference between Ethereum, Binance chain, and the zeniq smart chain? You cannot sleep. This is amazing. And when I take just out the tokenization, just out the tokenization, we are not talking about just the crypto industry, because Apple is doing 2 times more as the crypto world. Apple is 2 times more. But when you put the whole, how do you call, financing or project financing system of the whole planet, that is going to be so huge. So imagine every project on the planet which you want to finance through tokenization. That is the market where we are going to hit in. That is not 1 billion or 2 billion or 5 billion. That is not the crypto industry. That is not crypto industry plus Apple. That is much, much more. And that is going to happen on the zeniq blockchain and smart chain. Yeah. And here, these are just a couple of shots out of the presentation, but I just want to show you the one where you can create transaction cost comparison. Yeah, it's maybe it's a small photo. I don't know if you are on your smartphone, but I will explain it to you. You can see there the cost of Ethereum. You can see the cost of Binance when you have a transaction. The zeniq smart chain is going to be as a fee 0.0001058 as a fee. Do you know what that is? That is almost nothing. So you have got a speed up to 50,000 transactions per second, and you get a cost of 0.000 something. And somebody said, not somebody, I think it was Erwin, he said that if you put, for example, the £2 minting on the Ethereum chain, it will eat 10% of the capacity of Ethereum. So you cannot do it. And it's too expensive. So there are so many changes and so many differences between the smart chain of zeniq, and all the others. This is going to crack the whole industry. Yeah. And now coming back, when you have a smart chain like that, a blockchain and a smart chain like that, which is so fast and so cheap, how many projects will come? What is the future? Will people search and find the Ethereum chain and use that, or they will come to the zeniq smart chain? And now, just back on what I said before, because I missed the slide, but the multi-trillion market, it's exactly what I said. It is not the crypto world. It is not plus 2 times Apple world. It is the whole world. That is the multi-trillion-dollar market. This is the largest market that you can imagine. And the forecast is 24 trillion in 2027. Believe me. We have spoken with professionals in this event. I think this is not right. 24 trillion is not right. It will be much, 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 much more. And that is going to move, this is our goal, of course, to the fastest and the cheapest and the total new technology, which is the zeniq smart chain. Yeah. So, and here you have got a small comparison of what we do. So you have mining and you have community minting. I have to read it because it's a new slide, but Bitcoin is mining. That's okay. Yeah, but when you see what has happened the last couple of years, going down on Bitcoin mining, you need every 2 or 3 years, you need new hardware. You should pass out the computer and you should buy a new one. Massive electricity costs. No smart chain is a single project of mining, and you get 7 transactions per second. And when you go to the zeniq community minting, which is the way how you can create a multiple income stream, everything what is written there, that is it. Optimize devices with add-on possibilities, like you got the zeniq hub and you can put the add-on for £2 minting. There's almost no electricity consumption. The smart chain, you can have unlimited projects, token mining capacity, access to the other industry, more than 50,000 transactions per second, which Bitcoin brings 7 transactions per second. You have access to the future new minting projects. I will explain that to you. When you have the zeniq app, you can put multiple income streams on that. Much more is coming on the whole industry. So Bitcoin and zeniq comparison, I know which is going to win. So, and one of the very amazing things, what I love in this is that you have got the whole blockchain and a smart chain, but on that you got the hub. And the hub is a masterpiece. You can put add-ons. It's like new products or new projects are coming on the add-on. They want to mint. They come to zeniq and say, okay, I got a project, I want to get on that chain and I want to mint. The first one is £2. So I don't have the time today to explain everything about the £2 minting project. You have to come to another presentation because today we just have the news. But this is an amazing project. It should be, because this is the first minting project what zeniq is accepted to get on the zeniq smart chain. Yeah, this is going to be, I think, the big boom in the CO2 certificate market, because of the whole technology and because of the partnership, or the, how do you call it, cooperationship between Tupan and between zeniq. It's all about carbon credits, so creating CO2 certificate. Why? This market is going to be huge. It was about 211 billion in 2019, okay, but it's in 2027, the forecast is 2,407 billion, so 2,407,000,000. And the great news is that Tupan has already bought, I hope that I remember it right, 15,000 hectares of ground to put trees on it, which means in 10 years, it will be about, I hope I remember it right, 150 million, I hope that's right, $150 million worth in CO2 credits or certificates. But that is the price of today. So what is happening in 10 years? This is just the first step. So can you imagine what is going to happen with the CO2 certificate market and what Tupan is going to bring on the market connected with the Tupan token? So this is unique. Nobody has ever seen a mechanic like this. I will not explain it very difficult. You got a fund. That is actually the fund on top of the Tupan concept. That is the first SEC regulated fund in the US. That fund has got the credibility, is buying with that the land, and because of the land, we can create CO2 certificates. That's going back to the fund. The fund is selling those CO2 certificates to the whole world. The market is going to be huge, and with the profit, they are going to buy the Tupan token from the exchanges. Only buying from the exchanges. This is a one-way traffic. So what happens if something or somebody is just buying every day, every week, every month, I don't know, the Tupan from the exchanges? What is then happening with the mechanic? Ask, demand, the price should go up. Yeah, and now it comes. That is the project Tupan with the Tupan token. It could be an ICO, and you could be reading a white paper, and you could be buying that Tupan token. Yeah, but if you don't have any know-how about how to trade, which coin is good, or how a bot is working, then minting is the most beautiful way to create actually a portfolio in crypto. And how you're doing this, you are just buying the technology that is a hardware product of Safir Global, which you can buy, and you are producing that Tupan token. Not buy and sell and trade and lose maybe money. It's just buy the technology and let it work. You can sleep and it's working for you and creating a benefit for you. So how does it work? For the new persons, you have to ask this on the person who has invited you, but I will make a very short explanation. Bam. One, you need a zeniq hub to put an add-on so that you can produce Tupans. On which hub? It should be the full node. We got two different types of full node. One is the zeniq hub, that is the physical, looks like an iPad, which you can deliver. That costs 1,998 euro. The second one is also in hardware. It's just the chip which is minting. It costs 1,499. We call it the housing hub. If you have one of those hubs, you just have to put an add-on on it. The price is just 998 euro, and you're producing full the Tupan tokens. We are now between, I think, 98 and 100 somewhere per day token, and with the halvings, it's going to be calculated about 10 years. Yeah, so that is one way what you can have. But if you don't have a zeniq hub, you are today new and you said, okay, I don't have a zeniq hub, no problem. You can buy the same capacity of production of the Tupan token, again, between 98 and 100, I think. That is the price, just a little bit higher because you don't have a zeniq hub. It's 1,298. That is the full hub producing like the full add-on hub. And if you say, okay, that is for me, but I want to buy something for the children or for my dog or for my goldfishes, you can buy the shares. You can start even from 100 euro. You can buy that, and it's again produced in your Tupan, but it depends on the capacity. So it's that easy. Okay, so, and now we got a double incentive. I want you to write it down or take a picture of this slide. So activate your Tupan masternode and get the zeniq masternode as a free masternode. So how much it is very simple. Look at the left side. You can the full Tupan node will give you 1 divided by 8 zeniq minting share. I don't know how you are telling that in English. You can have smaller ones, you can have bigger ones. If you have 2 or 4 or 8, you will have 1 divided by, what was it? 4.5 zeniq minting share or a full zeniq full node. So otherwise explained, if you have 8 £2 full nodes, you buy 8 £2 full nodes, you will have a zeniq full node, a zeniq hub for free. And this is an incentive what is going on until the 15th of October. Good. Now let's jump in the news and updates. That was also news. The first update and the first news is about the bonus plan. Yeah, the bonus pool. I'm sorry. So the rest of the nothing is changing, but just about the bonus pool where we can get paid 6 months in a row over the whole world, says what 10% goes in this pool. What we have seen is that some people are qualified, they didn't do anything, they don't work, they even go and work in another companies, they are just emptying the bonus pool. Okay, that's okay, no problem. But we have changed this. We want to create more power in this third income. That is the performance, yeah? That is the benefit what we're going to get out of the pool, the bonus pool. So what we have done is that pool where 10% is going in, we have quit this in 3 parts. Yeah, 1/3, 1/3, 1/3. It means everybody who is qualified to get in the pool will get out of the first pool. Everybody is there, the commission, what is that? If you want to qualify in the second pool, you need to do 4% of the performance you needed to do for the career where you are now. So in that career where you are now, how much was the performance that you need to do that? Take that value, you need to do 4% of that value. So when it's 500,000, you need to do 4 times or 4% of 500,000 is 20,000. When you do 20,000 volume the last month, you're qualified for that. Yeah, it's that easy. So when you still have the 500,000 and you want to qualify yourself in the third pool, you need to do 8%. So how much is that? It's double. It's 40,000. So if somebody's did already 500,000 volume and create that career and is growing to 1 million or 2 million, 3 million, and you just do 40,000 the last month, you're qualified. But what is going to happen here is that those people who are doing nothing, they will not be qualified and get a pool 3, or they will not get money out of pool 2. So what is going to happen for those people who are qualified? You will see numbers. This is just an example. For example, a black sapphire, which you need 500,000 volume. The first, everybody's there. The second, just do 20,000. The third, you just have to do 40,000. What is happening? You see it on the numbers. This is an example. Yeah. So the pool share in the first pool could be 7, in the second could be 25, in the third could be 140 or 200 or 300, because that's an amazing pool. And now calculate, if you do your job, if you work and you're qualified in all of those three pools, out of pool 1, 40 times €7 is 280. 40 times, 25 in pool 2, it's 1,000, and now it comes 40 times €140, that's 5,600 euro. So we're going to see people, partners, who are going to hit thousands and thousands of euros more out of this performance pool, out of this bonus pool, because they worked. And the rest who don't work, okay, they got the normal commission, but they have to start working. Yeah. So the next massive tool is going to be a new token, and that is I love the Safir token. This is an amazing instrument for us. Yeah, I love it already. It's a stable coin, or it's a stable number. It's 0.01 euro. Just have to click. It's created by the company, of course, throughout the reached benefits. And you can use this very simple by purchasing products within the Safir shop. You can transfer this to user wallets to somebody else. It's just money. Yeah. You have possibilities in all the directions, and you can go in your back office when we are there, and you will see there, for example, 124,245 I love Safir tokens, and you can purchase products. You can send it to somebody, and it will be listed, of course, in the zeniq app and the zeniq swap. It can be traded against all other digital assets. It's an maybe wrong word, correct me, it's an in-house currency what we have, and it has got a massive side effect because it creates a lot of additional transactions. Every transaction what is being done with the I love Safir token means that it's going to burn massively zeniq coins, and when zeniq coins are burned, the supply go down. Your minters who are producing the zeniq coin, okay, the rest I don't know. Yeah, so activation October now. Good. The next new Safir website. Please don't go on the website now. You just wait till we are finished. But when you go to safir.com, you will see an amazing new website. So we are changing, ladies and gentlemen. Activation beginning of October. I'm sorry, it's not active. Okay. So then you cannot go. Good. The communication is also changing. We got now webinars in 4 languages. But additional language, what is coming very, very soon is Norwegian, it's Hindi for the India market, it's Serbo-Croatian, and it's French, and a couple of more languages will, of course, be added, again, activated in October. Good. The merchandising shop will also be activated very, very soon. Then 7th of October, it's going to be live. First Germany, Austria and Switzerland, we will have an amazing shop, 7 categories, 299 products. And after, I think, the 13th of November, we're going one by one to whole Europe and then to the whole world. So I think very soon, when you live in Nigeria or India or I don't know where, and you want to have a t-shirt of zeniq, because we are branding this. zeniq is the product company, it's a technology company. It's like Ethereum, it's like Bitcoin, it's like Binance chain, but in my eyes, much bigger. Not yet, but it will come. Then we got our own merchandise shop. Good. Now go into the technology. Yeah. So this is going to be amazing. So everybody's waiting for the zeniq swap. zeniq swap will become very, very soon. They're testing the last things. It should be 100% working, and then we jump in the zeniq swap. But there is something which is amazing. Yeah. Mark is going to explain this. It's a little bit technical, write it down, but I'm sure that Mark is going to explain it so easy that everybody will understand how it would be if you could create an income stream because of the liquidity providing of the zeniq swap. Mark,
hi Asker.
It's up to you.
So let me add something to the ecosystem. Yeah, but the most members and guests in the room, they experience direct selling, different companies in the digital space in the last years, and then you're also sinking in these categories. And what you need to understand, and it's the big difference, what many people out there doesn't understand in the last few years, that networking companies, crypto related, having one goal in mind or having one strategy, to create a service or product with a promise of profit, of ROI or whatsoever. But in 99% of the cases, they don't have a real ecosystem. They don't have use cases. They don't have production. They don't have any economy. They only have one goal: to impress you, to spend some money in coins, in token, in trading, whatsoever. And 99% of all those companies in the last 8 years in direct selling, crypto related, failed. They failed, guys. There's not a single company I know 2-3 years on the market with an existing ecosystem, even surviving. Only a few. So, and this ecosystem, what you saw, this is not developed for network marketing or MLM or something like that. It's a traditional crypto ecosystem. It can compete with Binance, with Ethereum. It is for projects, for companies worldwide. And it is better, it's faster, it's cheaper in the transaction fees, many times, 1,000 times than Ethereum. It has more capacity than Ethereum. The only thing what Ethereum has is a 7 years ahead. That's the advantage. They also started by zero. Binance started in 2017, and 1 year later, it was the biggest crypto exchange in the world. 1 year later, yeah. So give a year, yeah, 12 months, 24 months to zeniq, and let's see in which categories they are leading markets. Not only crypto. Crypto is a small sandcorn in the sky, yeah, against Apple, against one technology company. Yeah, twice worse than the whole crypto market, guys. So where we like to participate from technologies, yeah, in different fields and different categories, or from all those pop-ups in the crypto world. Look at Bitcoin, look at Ethereum, 1,300 something today. There's no bear market coming in 3 months. There's a worldwide crisis. There's a recession. People in Germany paying 7 times more for the gas, yeah, than a year ago. Yeah, they have other things in mind than to buy Bitcoin or Ethereum or anything else. And in times like that, you need economy, you need things which are necessary, which are supported by governments, by industry nations like Tupan, yeah, food, medical products, cosmetic, daily needs. That is necessary. That is the backup, yeah, an SEC regulated investment fund and owning land. He said, Asker said, 15,000 hectares. Yeah, 170 million, yeah, rewards in form of CO2 certificates within the next 10 years. And it's only one ground. Many times they will buy 15,000 hectares, step by step. And on that agriculture, on that production, surveillance, drone technology, yeah, 67 patents and many things more, guys. This is not MLM from yesterday. That's a new category, guys. Yeah, and the zeniq swap is not the first decentralized exchange, real decentralized exchange. This is a category like PancakeSwap, like Uniswap, decentralized swap. But the zeniq exchange, that is the first real decentralized exchange, yeah? An exchange with all the blockchains united, but those decentralized swaps, like Uniswap, like PancakeSwap, like zeniq swap, they are focused on one blockchain, or in case of zeniq swap, on the zeniq smart chain. Yeah, you will see also Bitcoin, Ethereum, all those stuff there. Yeah, but most important is the zeniq smart chain. Yeah, as the fastest, as the cheapest, as the most easy. Yeah, with access with the zeniq application, where you have 1,000 features in, crazy. Yeah, what you will see, what you will learn today, also what is coming here. Yeah, and the reason that it is not started last weekend is, yeah, it's so much synergy between different exciting functions. Yeah, you will not find on any application on the planet. Yeah, with swap, with crypto fiat card, with minting, with staking, with other surprise. What Asker for sure will you explain. And for all those who are minting already zeniq coin, the zeniq swap will be a game changer. Yeah, but hundreds of millions of zeniq coins will go into liquidity pools. So we have the opportunity, like, I don't know what kind of slides here are coming. So nothing on CAX. Let's see what this means here. Yeah, so order book model. Yeah, so buyer, seller. Yeah, you know, on centralized exchanges, there is an order book where you can place and sell order or a buy order. Yeah, and market makers, etc. So we will simplify all those all those explanations that is fresh coming in now. Yeah, order book here you can see, yeah, the buy orders, yeah, sell orders, yeah, depending on green and red. Yeah, and go to the basics, yeah, easy to understand. Yeah, so on these zeniq swap, yeah, you can provide liquidity with your zeniq coins. Yeah, they will go in a smart contract, means out of the circulating supply. Yeah, so if the supply on the exchanges is reduced, less coins are in the market. Yeah, and the increasing market cap, yeah, through the cash flow, or to the let's say exchange fees on the zeniq exchanges, they will buy zeniq coins. So there's an increasing market cap. Yeah, and it's easier to increase the market cap if there are less coins, yeah, available on the market. So, and I, for myself, I will bring all my zeniq coins while I'm holding them, while I am enjoying them over the years, into this swap, into these pools, yeah, liquidity pools. like you can do on Uniswap or PancakeSwap, and you can participate from the profits, from the exchange fees here, not exchange fees, transaction fees, etc. And this is amazing, So you can see two-pan liquidity pool here, So we have always two kind of transaction for any transaction, One zeniq and one a two-pan transaction, so automated market maker, so it's a one of its kind technology. Go on to the next, please. zeniq swap. And it's a little bit difficult to understand all those features. You can see two-pan liquidity, Avinok liquidity, and in the middle is the zeniq coin participating from any transaction, and the gas fee, what is produced with any transactions. And now imagine why the smart chain is so important, why the tokenization is so important. Alone with the tokenization, you will see dozens, later hundreds, later thousands of projects. And in a crisis like that, in years like that, in times like that, liquidity is needed. Projects, they have a ground, they have a real estate, they have a car park, they have an airplane, whatever. They have no cash anymore after Corona, after all these things happen in the last 12, 24 months. And they can bring these assets to the blockchain. They can create an asset-backed token running on the zeniq smart chain, listed on the zeniq exchanges, in making millions of transactions. And every transaction is burning zeniq coin, so decreasing supply, increasing market cap, but all those tokens will be exchanged on the zeniq swap and on the zeniq exchange coming soon also, and that means a lot of profit will come in, Think about Uniswap, they have billions per day in trading volume. You know how much or how many millions they making in profit, with these exchange fees, So that's amazing, So and this will, support the zeniq coin. We buy the zeniq coin, we burn the zeniq coin, and all the transactions supporting zeniq coins. And if people asking me days ago, weeks ago, months ago, how about zeniq coin price? And say to them, okay, I look 5 times, 10 times per day on the Bitcoin price, but not interested in Bitcoin, only to see how the market temperature is, the thermometer, the fever, it's down, So zeniq coin price, it doesn't look the last 6 months, but it's not interesting for me yet. It's interesting in the next few years. And now where the ecosystem is visible with the zeniq swap, with the zeniq application in these next 2-3 weeks, where all those elements are coming together, and this is fine-tuning. Look at the Ethereum 2.0. It's finally now in the merge. 2 years ago it was promoted. So this is not a network website showing you some colorful pictures and promises and percentage. That's real technology, guys. And this is what happened now. And there are many surprises on top of this, what you expect. And latest in the next few weeks, everyone will realize this and everyone will join us, for those features, for those impressive functions we will have. Liquidity pools, group of tokens that are locked in a smart contract, and used to facilitate trading, and that is liquidity for the swap, and that's needed, and a lot of traders will come, a lot of users will come. We will use, for Avinok, for any Avinok transaction, exchange, whatever, for two-pan, for zeniq coin, for all the other project guys, two-pan 50%, zeniq 50%, and you can see here TVL 1 MIO, and a lot of possibilities here to earn passive income, from those pools. You see some examples here, 0.3% per trade is going or shared to those providers in the specific pool, So there are different pairs, and you can see here assumption of the total trading volume per month as an example, 2.5 MIO, times 0.3%, is here 7,500 euro. And these are examples, these are numbers. You will see, we have a lot of liquidity. We have a lot of zeniq coin holders, and they will bring in a lot of liquidity. So it will be attractive. The swap, and here you can see some interfaces. From the app. We had a diamond meeting, and there are different programmers from zeniq, in the room, showed us already, how the app looks like, so the phones are open, so everyone can check and see how cool these interfaces looks like, and a lot of surprise functionality will also be shown. Yeah, here you can see some interface.
Yeah. Mark, these are real screens from the zeniq web, I believe. Eh? This is
yeah. This is it's a desktop. Yeah. So select the wallet. Meta, you can connect MetaMask and Wallet Connect. Yeah. So the most used solutions also here, extensions, and yeah, these are then different interfaces. You can see here also different tokens, but also Bitcoin, Ethereum, everything will be available on these zeniq swap. Yeah. So it looks amazing. Yeah. Also how this plays together inside the decentralized application. Yeah. So very easy to use. And also for any project, any smart contract, any Web3 project out there, the smart chain, perfect, cheapest transaction fee, fast speed, easy to use, and the application where each project in the world, can also list their token, and using the swap and all the other functionality. So this is really amazing, and will be for sure millions of customers.
And you will have also a staking function in the zeniq swap. This is showing, I think, the staking function what we have there.
Yeah. Maximize yield by staking zeniq for zeniq.
It's just an example, I think. It's
yeah.
Good. Yeah. Okay. So Mark, thank you very much for your time, Mark. I know that you're going to jump in now the German presentation, so please prepare yourself. I want to thank you for your time. Thank you very much that you were here. So the rest is again great news, but I'm recording this. I will share it with everybody. Is that okay?
Okay. All the best, guys, and let's get it.
Okay, Mark. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you very much. See you back. Okay. Bye. So, ladies and gentlemen, now, yes. Okay, how it would be if you could have an application, that is the zeniq app, and that is a wallet. There are so many crypto wallets on the market, but how it would be if you could have a wallet with the NFTs inside. You can see it on the left side, NFTs. You can have their NFTs. You have the staking function inside. You have the total connection with the zeniq swap. There trading pairs. In the pre-launch, we will have Ethereum, USDC, USDT, DAI, and then the rest, which you can see. And this is the loop from this new wallet or new application. Ladies and gentlemen, you cannot compare it with the app what we have now. You throw it away. You will have a total new, on the new technology build. It's an amazing thing. And these are just a couple of screenshots. So you have the cryptocurrencies, you have deposit SEPA, you can withdraw, of course, you can buy, you can sell, you can do so many things on this application. What you see on the top, you see it, zeniq debit card balance, NFTs. Ladies and gentlemen, it doesn't exist in the technology what we have here. Your hub balance. On the top, you can see dashboard, total assets, dashboard, hub balance, dashboard, credit card, dashboard, NFTs. And now it comes. Open your eyes and open your ears. This is going to be the first messenger in an application which is fully decentralized and built on the blockchain. Did you hear everything what I said? We got WhatsApp. A lot of people switched to Signal. The reason you know. And now zeniq is coming with a messenger which is built on the blockchain. Nobody can hack it. Nobody can throw it away. Nobody can close it down. And nobody can read your messages. So the zeniq framework for secure and decentralized communication, that's a lot of words, end-to-end encryption, fully decentralized conversation, voice over IP, video call, the surprise, we know it, possibility to bridge it to IoT devices such as a zeniq hub that's coming in the second phase, group communication. Who knows what is coming more and more, because you can build everything on the blockchain. So it means if you can imagine something, you can build it on a blockchain. If you can build it on a computer, you can build it on that thing. So do you know what this means? I don't know how many users WhatsApp had, or how many users Signal has, or how many users Messenger has, how many users we can attract to come to the zeniq application, where we have a messenger included, where they can talk, where they can send pictures, where they can telephone, where they can send maybe, they can send some benefits or money, and which is built on the blockchain. Only with this app, you can attract millions and millions and maybe billions of people. And what are they going to do? Everything when they do maybe something up on the application, I cannot explain it now, it will burn against any coins. So how many people will use this, and how many people will get the attention of what is zeniq? What is the swap? What is that? They are going to exchange? I didn't know. Okay, and that's a decentralized exchange. They go, they buy, they sell, transaction fee, burn zeniq, and you are producing the zeniq coin. So it's exactly what Mark said. This is not the crypto industry. This is much more. And now it starts. Yeah. So it was all in preparation. 2021, as I mentioned, that was a great year. We did a lot of things till now. zeniq has prepared everything. Some of the technology is there. Some of the technology is almost there. They're going to connect it. And what is going to happen on the 13th of November will be the Smart Chain Forum that will be in the Burj Khalifa. Sheikh Mohammed bin Rashid will, I'm sorry, Al Maktoum, one of those is, I think, I can't read it there, but that is also the person who is organizing together with us. And only investors and only people, this is not a network marketing or a direct sale organization. So this has nothing to do with Safir. This is zeniq, the Smart Chain Forum. That is going to happen on the 13th of November. There they will share so much great information. This is going to kick everything what I've explained today together with Mark on another level. And now it comes what we have to do now. We had an event the last couple of days. I'm still not tired because we have seen what is going to happen with this concept. The 3rd till 6th of December, we have got the next event. That is the Safir Global Summit 2022. You have to be a part of that. Today, we started, I think, in the morning at 9:30 till 6 o'clock. We go through the whole agenda. And I cannot tell it you, but you will not believe what is going to happen at that Safir Global Summit. You must be there. So I don't have so much time. So what is going to happen? There is a promotion and incentive. The first 200 promoters to achieve a minimum product sales of 20,000, that is total purchase of direct recommended buyers or own purchase, your buy self or your first line, within the incentive period, they will receive a product coupon, which is the price for the event ticket. So the first 200 who do 20,000 volume personal plus first line, they will get a ticket for free. On top, there will be also an additional mega incentive with a product coupon. Again, level 1, level 2, but we will explain that all. Yeah. So the product coupon, yeah, how does it work? The top 10. So the personal, wait, that's all new information. Product sales from direct, yeah, again the same. So direct recommended buyers, indirect recommended buyers, level 1, level 2, and own purchases. When you are in the top 10, not in the rank 10, you get 500. When you're number 9, 750. That goes down. When you're number 3, you get 5,000. When you're number 2, you get 10,000 euro product coupon. When you're the number 1, you will get a 20,000 product coupon. So that is again personal, first line, and the sales, and that is all being activated. Yeah. So do I have more? Yes, I have more. So, oh, I like this. Good. Next level. What does it mean, next level? The CEO of Safir, Ali, he's explained this so beautiful. I cannot do it because I'm tired, but let's jump to the next level. Safir Global has rented the highest office in the world. That is in the Burj Khalifa, where the star is, because we're stars, we're a star company. It is the highest office in the world. It will be on the floor 147. It's 550 meters above sea level, and it is 500 square meter. So I've seen it. People have seen this. There is no possibility to have it higher. Yeah. Why? Because zeniq is going to hit the market like a, how do you call it, meteoroid, or how do you call that, which is hitting the planet. We are going to hit with zeniq the crypto industry, plus everything what has nothing to do with crypto industry, with tokenization. That will be big. And that is our product company. We're working and selling. We get exclusive rights to sell the products of zeniq. So how far we can grow. And therefore, we put another level. And that's the highest level. So there is nothing more. We're going to get in that office. The 500 square meter is now totally empty. It will be the most futuristic, the most technology, the most beautiful office in this direct sales marketed industry. These are vendors where we're going to see in this office, it will be full technology. Can you imagine on the highest office, we will have the possibility to get a cup of coffee. We will have a meeting room, we will have training rooms. We will see the technology. We will see actually everything there. And the opening is going to happen in December this year. It's rented. We have seen it. It's ours. Yeah. So we're just planning because we don't want to do something about this. Will Hayes is requesting remote control. No. Yeah, go away. Bam. So this is going to happen in this office. We will sit there with all our leaders. You will come there. You will visit it. You will invite. 2023, because that doesn't have December, is going to be a massive, massive year. So that was the presentation. What I can say is, I want to thank everybody on the trip from the beginning till today, but it was worth, believe me, it was worth. Yeah. Just give me, somebody's trying to do something, but it's okay, no problem. It was worth, because we are now in September, October, November, December, those 3 months, we will have so massive changes, so great things what are coming. Be ready for a mega grow, what is going to happen in the next 3 months and then in 2023. So prepare everything. Talk with the person who has invited you here if you are new today as a guest. I have recorded this, so I'm going to share this in the teams, in the groups. Thank you very much for being here. Prepare everything. Don't forget to buy your ticket for the event. And much more important is, don't forget to book your hotels, because in December, we will have the FIFA in Dubai. We will have the air show here. Before or after will be the Formula will be there. And it is high season in Dubai because the temperature is going down. So you will see massive growth in the prices of the hotels. So what you're going to do is, success you can plan. I made a training last weekend. Success you can plan. So you have to plan everything from now on. Get in contact with your partners. Bring your teams. Motivate them, explain them what is going to happen. Without you or without me, nothing will change. These companies, zeniq and Safir, they're going to be huge. Get that. Don't miss this movement. I want to thank you and see you the next time. Bye-bye.